Hi guys, in this video we will see how to switch a strongest Wi-Fi network on your system. If you want to change your network connection automatically, then here are the process. Right click on start button and choose run. Here in run command box, type the command ncpa.cpl. This command will open all your available network in your system. Here go to your connected Wi-Fi connections, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Simply right click on it and choose status. Here your Wi-Fi status. Here click on wireless properties. A new page will open, iPhone wireless network properties. Here you will see look for other wireless networks while connected to this network. If you want to automatically switch to a strongest Wi-Fi network, then make the check against this option. Look for other wireless network while connected to this device and click on OK. Now if your Wi-Fi signal is weak, then automatically available another network, your system will automatically connect it. If you want to disable it, simply turn